I have someone in the jail Zoom 1 room. If there's anyone there, you need to turn the camera on and unmute the device. Okay, are you Mr. Cranker?
Yeah.
One second, sir. Okay. This is file 23-21391-FH, People of the State of Michigan versus Zachary Richard Cranker. We are here today for a arraignment on a request and warrant for probation violation. Sir, you are Zachary Richard Cranker.
Yes.
Mr. Cranker, have they given you at the jail a copy of your warrant?
Yeah.
The warrant alleges that you violated the terms of your probation by failing to turn yourself into the Lenawee County Jail to serve the remainder of a sentence that you had to serve in this case. You had previously in this case been convicted of attempted breaking and entering a building with intent. Maximum possible punishment for that offense up to 10 years in prison. You do have the right to be represented by an attorney here today and at any other hearings that we have regarding this matter. If you can't afford an attorney, you can tell me that and I'll appoint one for you from the public defender's office. Do you understand that?
Yes. I don't have an attorney right now.
Would you like to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
All right. Do you have the ability to pay for your own attorney?
No. I just got a
No.
job though last week. I just got into the Carpenters Union, 351 local 351 Carpenters Union. I just started last week.
Okay. Mr. Crank, I'm going to put you in the waiting room for a few minutes, and as soon as our public defender gets here, I'll have you speak to her.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Sullivan?
Yeah.
You come forward to the podium, please. Is file 17-44285-DM, Hannah Ann Grant versus Jacob Michael Sullivan. We are here today for a hearing on an order to show cause related to child support. We are proceeding today in person. And sir, you are Jacob Michael Sullivan?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sullivan, according to the information I have from the front report, you have a monthly child support charge of $167. And there is an arrearage in payment of that support in the amount of $4,543.55. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Do you understand that it's a crime to fail to pay child support to the best of your ability up to the amount ordered?
Yeah, but I have been paying it for months.
All right, just I've got to ask you some questions before you say anything so that it's clear that you know what your rights are. Do you understand that if you were to plead guilty or be found guilty of non-payment, that it could sentence you to jail for up to 45 days?
Mm-hmm.
Is that yes?
Yes.
You are entitled to have a trial and you can't be convicted unless the evidence at your trial proves that you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
You're entitled to have an attorney represent you here today and at any other hearings we have regarding this matter. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you can't afford an attorney, you can tell me that. I'll appoint one for you from the public defender's office. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Would you like to be represented by an attorney today?
If I need one, absolutely.
Okay, I can't tell you whether you need one or not. I can only ask if you want to be represented by an attorney.
I mean, yeah, if we're gonna continue with it, yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Do you have the ability to pay for your own attorney?
Nope.
All right, I'll appoint the public defender's office to represent you. I'll ask you to take a seat back where you were, and as soon as she gets here, I'll have you speak to her. You're Mr. Maize, right?
Yes.
And sir, what's your name?
I'm just.
Oh, you're just with him, okay.
They're just.
Good morning, Ms. Underwood. Have you received the warrant on Zachary Cranker?
I believe I did, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm gonna bring him in and have you speak to him now. Okay, Mr. Cranker, I'm gonna have you speak to Ms. Underwood if you'll give me just a moment. All right, we are back on the record in file 23-21391-FH, People versus Zachary Richard Cranker. Ms. Underwood, would you like to place your appearance on the record?
Ron Underwood for Mr. Cranker this morning, Your Honor.
All right, and do you know how Mr. Cranker would like to proceed today?
Your Honor, at this point, I would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea for Mr. Cranker. Mr. Cranker indicates that there is a time served issue with this case, Your Honor, and I want to see what the issue is. Mr. Cranker did do extensive prison time in Ohio, Your Honor, and he believes part of that, I believe, is part of this. So I would ask the court to set it for Wednesday and give me a chance to go over Mr. Cranker's paperwork from that case, Your Honor.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea for Mr. Cranker and set this for Wednesday morning at 8:15.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, I'm not available Wednesday. I have training all day.
Okay, can you have someone cover for you? I'm not sure we need to have you, I mean, he's either gonna plea or we're gonna set it for a hearing. I
Sure.
don't know that.
Yeah.
All right, so Wednesday morning at 8:15.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I just started working I got a job for the union, working for Valley, for the Carpenters Union. And it's a really good job. And I don't want to mess this up. Is there any
Well,
way that I can go to work?
I appreciate that, Mr. Cranker, but you had a sentence to serve and you didn't serve it. And it was the second time that you failed to report to serve a sentence. So I'm not going to change the bond.
Okay.
You can let the officer with you know that you're done with court for today.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Walsh. Ms. Underwood, I have Robert Maize is here in person. You need to speak to him.
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Maize, if you want to step outside the hallway, there's an iPad and I'll put you in a breakout session with. Please. Yeah.
Good morning, Kelly and Judge Simmons. Could we have Christopher Cruz in a room for the judge, please? Thank you. Bye.
Okay, Ms. Maize, 1 second. Okay, Ms. Maize, you can come up to the podium, please. It is file 05-29183-DS, Jill Mott versus Robert Hates. We are here today for a hearing on an order to show cause regarding payment of child support. Ms. Underwood, would you like to place your appearance on the record?
Rhonda Underwood for Mr. Mays this morning, Your Honor.
All right, and where do we stand with Mr. Mays' case today?
Mr. Mays made a $200 payment on Friday, Your Honor. And also, he will be able to make another perhaps $100 payment sometime this week. He still is going through the disability process, Your Honor. Does not have an attorney yet.
All right, I will adjourn this then to December 22nd at 8:15.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Maize, you're all set for today. Your next day will be December 22nd at 8:15. You can come in person like you did today, or you can join us by Zoom. Bailiff has that information if you want that. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, sir, you are Christopher Cruz.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Underwood, you need to speak to Mr. Cruz.
Yes, please.
All right, one moment.
One moment, Mr. Cruz.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, Mr. Hassan. What case are you here for? I'm not able to hear you, sir, for some reason.
Rita Duff versus James Duff. Can you hear me?
Oh, okay, I could hear that. Do you have a case number? I don't see that on my docket this morning.
I do have a case number 2024 517 61 DM.
Okay, one second.
May have been pushed to another date. Let me just make sure. Oh, you know what? The court has adjourned the hearing date to December 15th. I see that.
Oh.
Okay. I guess I will see you guys December.
All right, very good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Bye.
Okay, this is file 17-43749-DS Courtney Ray Cox versus Christopher David Cruz. We're here today for a hearing on an order to show cause regarding payment of child support. We are proceeding today by video conference. Ms. Underwood, do you want to place your appearance on the record?
Ron Underwood for Mr. Cruz today, Your Honor.
Okay, and where do we stand with Mr. Cruz's case today?
Well, Your Honor, Mr. Cruz is currently in jail on bond for a felony in this matter, Your Honor, an AG case. So I would ask that the show cause be dismissed in favor of the felony, Your Honor, which I believe the exam has been waived and it's been bound over to the circuit court for arraignment, which may even be this week.
Okay. All right, if there is a pending felony case through the Attorney General's office, then I will dismiss the contempt and we'll just proceed with the felony case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Cruz, you're all set with court for this morning. Let the officer with you know that you're done.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Underwood.
You're welcome.
Okay, Ms. Underwood, you need to speak to Mr. Capetillo.
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Surgeon, could you, thank you. This is file 11-37292-DP, Antonia Victoria Roman versus Isaac Capetillo. We are here today for a hearing on an order to show cause regarding payment of child support. We are proceeding today by video conference. Ms. Underwood, would you like to place your appearance on the record?
Ron Underwood for Mr. Capetillo this morning, Your Honor.
All right, and where do we stand with Mr. Capetillo's case today?
Mr. Capetillo, income withholding has attached, Your Honor. They took out for the first time on his November 4th check, and he gets paid tomorrow. So, and he would anticipate that that check will have money taken out as well.
All right, I'm going to adjourn this to December 8th at 8:15. And by looking at the calendar, it looks like we should have 2 more income withholding payments by that time, and I'll see where we stand then.
Your Honor, can I speak, please?
Ms. Underwood?
Mr.
gonna say-
Capetillo, is it something you need to talk to me about first?
No, I just wanted to let the courthouse know that I get paid on the 4th of every month and the 19th of every month. Those are the only 2 times I get paid a month.
4th and the 19th.
The 4th of every month and the 19th of every month. So you guys are aware of it.
Okay, so yeah, it should still then be two paychecks and 2 income withholdings
Yep.
between now and next hearing.
Thank
Okay,
you,
then,
Your
Mr. Capetillo, you're all set for today.
December 8th.
Correct, at 8,
Okay.
at 8 a.m.
8:15, you said?
I'm sorry, I misspoke. It should be 8 a.m., not 8.
Okay, 8 a.m. All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you. You can go ahead and log out then.
All right.
Ms. Underwood, we've sent you information for Jacob Sullivan. And Mr. Sullivan, if you'll step outside, there's an iPad on a stand just outside the door to your left. Send your request to unmute, Mr. Sullivan. Okay, give me just a moment. I'll put you in a breakout session with Ms. Underwood.
Okay.
Okay, for the person that just joined, I'm going to send you a request to unmute.
Good morning,
And good morning. Can you tell me your name, please?
Lauren Williams.
Okay, 1 second. All right, Ms. Williams, I'm not quite ready for your case yet. I'm going to put you back in the waiting room until we have everyone we need.
Okay.
All right, good morning, sir. Can you tell me your name, please?
Joshua Lovejoy.
Okay, 1 second. All right, Mr. Lovejoy, I'm not quite ready to call your case yet. I'm going to put you back in the waiting room for a few minutes until we're ready to go.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Let's come back in.
Yep.
She was on the thing and all of a sudden she disappeared and nobody's on the monitor no more.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's happened to her. Just hang tight. She might be coming upstairs. I think she was just at the first floor.
Okay, okay.
See what happened.